Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to customize the taskbar in Windows. Customizing your taskbar can streamline your workflow and help you access your favorite apps faster. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Let's start by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Taskbar Settings. In the Taskbar Settings window, you will find various options for customizations. To control which icons appear in the system tray, scroll down to the notification area and click on Select which icons appear on the taskbar. Toggle on or off the icons you want visible. If you make changes here, it will show or hide here. And now, to adjust the taskbar's appearance or lock it in place, use the options under the taskbar section. You can enable or disable features such as lock the taskbar, automatically hide the taskbar, and use small taskbar buttons. And now, if you would like to reposition the taskbar, scroll down to the taskbar location on screen. Here you can choose the place it at the bottom, left, right, or top of the screen. Now, to pin or unpin apps, open the Start menu or locate an app on your desktop. So, normally I'm choosing it bottom again as default. And after then, I'm going to Start menu and selecting an apps. Suppose I am choosing the app Adobe Illustrator 2024. So normally right click on it. After then go to More and then select the sub menu Pin to Taskbar. And now you will see it in the taskbar. Alternatively, you can add the apps to the taskbar by selecting the apps. And then you have to choose Pin to Taskbar. And here you can see that it's also added to the taskbar. And now if you want to remove it, normally right click on it and select Unpin from taskbar. After completing your customizations, close all of the windows and your taskbar will now reflect your changes, giving you a more personalized Windows experience. That's all for today. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.